Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is tell me your work pattern for next 1 year. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the question asked in some of the interviews whenever candidates appear for any kind of interview. Tell me your work pattern for next 1 year. Now, after asking all the relevant questions, according to the criteria for which you are sitting in that interview, the interviewer sometimes asks you this very crucial question that tell me your work pattern for next 1 year. How can you answer this question appropriately? In order to answer this question appropriately, first of all, you need to thoroughly go through the job description posted by the organization for which you are appearing in the interview. Try to read the job description thoroughly. In job description, try to find out what they expect from you. In what type of project they will be aligning you after hiring you. And whatever will be the specific responsibilities associated with that project, those are clearly mentioned in the job description. And once you come to know that what is the real job description, try to plan your own individual strategy that you are going to follow as an employee of the organization once you be the part of that organization. Try to find out your own self-strategy. Of course, you will be given certain kind of training before putting you in the actual project. Of course, you will be told everything by your seniors and superiors related to the project that you are going to handle. But still, as an employee of the organization and as an educated person yourself, you must plan your own strategy, because this is how we grow inside the organization. We follow the rules of the organization, but then we have our own strategies also. How we have to look towards the things and how we have to perform on our own to do something creative and innovative for the organization. That is your own self-preparation, and that is very important. And only by preparing yourself, you can answer this question thoroughly, that what is going to be your strategy for coming 1 year once you join the organization. By asking this question, the HR clearly wants to know that what are your visions about the organization. What is your vision about the organization, about the task that will be given to you? What is your own specific vision? How do you look towards this particular task, this particular job responsibility that has been mentioned in the job advertisement? Of course, there are certain points that they always mention during any kind of advertisement. You have to work on this technology, you have to work on this and this type of atmosphere, you have to work in morning shift, night shift, afternoon shift. Everything is already mentioned in the job description. Depending on that, what strategy you will follow, so that because of your hard work and dedication, organization can move ahead in the direction of achieving its goals, achieving its targets. That is what HR wants to know from you, that what will be your strategy for next 1 year. And why they are asking this thing, that what is your strategy for coming 1 year? Why they are asking only for 1 year? Because they want to know that as an employee of the organization, how creatively you think. We always take small steps, and if all those small steps are taken positively, you combine them, it collectively gives huge benefits to the organization. That's why if we have planned that, okay, we want to be the part of this organization, we will try our best to be in this organization for my entire life. I love this organization, or for coming 6 to 7 years. We always plan like that before joining any company, that okay, I like this company, I like the job, I plan to be here for coming 6 to 7 years. Of course, you be here, that is your choice as a professional, but you will have to work over there. And if you are capable enough to find out the strategy that you are going to follow for 1 year after 1 year, if you repeat that strategy, same kind of positive results you will get at the end of every year. And this is what HR wants to know. You have a preset plan that you are going to stay in this organization for 8 to 9 years. This is your dream organization. You always wanted to be here. And since now you are here, what are your plans for this organization? So even if you are planning to stay for 10 to 15 years in the organization, still you need to prepare a plan. And if you can convince the HR that yes, this is my strategy for coming 1 year for this organization, HR will clearly come to know that yes, this person is having a vision. And based on that vision, if he is able to give us desired results after the end of first year, definitely he will follow the same strategy for coming years also. And if he keeps following the same kind of strategy at the end of every year, he will give us same kind of great results. This is why HRs ask this question, that what is your strategy for coming 1 year? They never ask for 2 years, for 3 years, for 5 years. You just tell them what is your strategy for coming 1 year. On the basis of the answer that you give, they clearly understand that what are your visions about the organization. That's why please answer this question very thoroughly, very specifically. Try to find out that what are the job requirements. Try to find out what the organization expects from you, and then prepare your response, that what necessary steps you will take to accomplish the goals of the organization. What necessary steps you will take to fulfill all the requirements, whatever the organization expects from you, whatever has been mentioned in the job description. This is how you should answer this question. This is how you should answer this question, and it is only possible on the basis of the experiences that you have gained in your life, on the basis of knowledge that you have gained in your life, on the basis of technical skills that you have in yourself. So that's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.